how to convert a picture to PDF. If you are looking for ways to convert your picture to PDF in Windows, this video is for you. And to get started, you first have to close your picture here, then locate that file type that you want to convert. In this case is JPEG. I'm going to right click on it. Then among the list of options, I'm going to scroll down and locate Open With. Then continue to click on Paint. And with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and this will drop you on an interface like this. On this interface, we're going to click on the top left corner where we see the file option and click on it. Among the list of options here, continue to click on Print and select the first one. Now that we landed on this interface, you can make the necessary changes here, whether you want it to be in portrait or the landscape form. In this case, I'm going to maintain it as portrait. Then I'm going to continue to click on Print here. So this will give me a format that this is saving as PDF. So I'm going to properly position it to where I want it to be saved. In this case, I'm going to put it here on Document. Then after that, I'm going to select the file name that I want to give it to. In this case, I'm going to type something like African Tale Story. Then after that, I'm going to continue to click on Save. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. That's it. You have successfully saved your picture as a PDF format. Now for you to locate it, all you have to do is to continue to open the document file that you've saved it as. This case is located under Document, and you can see it here, which is the PDF format African Tale Story. And when you double click it, this will automatically open your document that you've successfully created. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.